So I found this really interesting ad that is related to Kumbh. So I want to start with that. Okay, let's go.
हर हर गंगे। मुन्ना,
हाँ?
क्या तू ठीक है ना?
जी सब ठीक। इस तरफ।
उस तरफ वहाँ तो बहुत भीड़ है।
बाबूजी कुंभ है, भीड़ तो होगी ना। चलिए
क्या?
चलिए चलिए।
अच्छा अच्छा। अरे अरे मुन्ना, मुन्ना,
उसे भूले भटके सिर में या बात को किसी उठाने में पहुंचाने का मकसद।
अरे मुन्ना, तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? अच्छा अपना हाथ दे, हाथ दे अपना। हाँ देख मुन्ना, भीड़ बहुत है, तू खो जाएगा, तो इसे हम बांध लेते हैं। चल। अच्छा सुन, आइसक्रीम खाएगा? अम्मा को मत बताना। आइसक्रीम के नाम से देखो कितना पैसा है।
साए में जिसके तू बड़ा हुआ, उस साए को तू अब छोड़ना, छोड़ना, कभी ना छोड़ना।
बाबूजी
अरे तू कहाँ चला गया था?
खो गया था।
अरे ऐसे अकेले थोड़ी जाता।
चाय।
हाँ बेटा, 2 कप बोली थी, मुझे पता था तू आ ही जाएगा। पी पी ना, अच्छी है।
बाबूजी हाथ बांध लें, भीड़ बहुत है।
अरे तू भी बच्चों वाली बात
अरे
करता
आपका
है।
बच्चा हूँ तो बच्चों जैसी बात करूंगा ना।
Honestly, I got chills after watching this. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. Intense है थोड़ा, but long part, 30 second
बीच
cut
में I
with this.
tried so hard to not start the waterworks. I was like, no, you can't cry here. Yeah,
Hard
intense. Wow.
Mm.
Wow.
You guys like all these emotional ads.
You guys.
That's a good
what
Oh,
question.
you and Parikshit had your faces like. So I'm just, wondering. I know Red Label ads have always followed like some sort of storyline where it's some relationship between some family member that they pick up on, whether it's husband, wife, or kids and father, mother, whatever. But when brands start getting a little too emotional, like this was a PSA, so I get it, makes sense. But when it gets a little too emotional, isn't it like, like really, mini film बना रहे थे हम यहाँ पे ad बन गया गलती से types.
भारी मिस्टेक हो गया सर, एकदम ब्लंडर हो गया।
2012.
Also, to what Raisha, meanwhile, what Raisha was also trying to say, towards the end when all of my emotions were wearing off and I was coming to terms with, okay, here's the climax, everything's good. That's when I questioned myself, पर ये brand कौन सा है? ये क्यों हो रहा है?
अरे but
Red
the
Label,
intention
okay.
was never to push the brand.
I know.
It
Fair
was
enough.
always the PSA.
No, but then at the end, when the tagline came in about something togetherness, that is when
अपनों
it
को
was tied
अपनाओ.
together. Apno ko apnao was the campaign, but also the tagline was togetherness something. Is when, yeah.
दिख रहे ऐसे ads हम लोग जब भी research भी कर रहे थे. Look at the tonality shift in the past 6-7 years.
So are you saying now we are not trying to create ads that even try to invoke an emotion?
Correct. One is that, coming back to Raisha's earlier point, इतना लंबा ad आज मेरा generation फिर भी देख लेगा बैठ के.
हाँ.
मेरे बाद वाला generation नहीं देखेगा इतना.
I was actually doing my research and check this out. When this ad came out, people were actually against the entire ad. The entire Twitter started a trend which said boycott Hindustan Unilever because they said that out of all the topics that you could possibly focus on, you decided to talk about how people abandon parents instead of talking about the entire holiness of the festival.
This is just egos being hurt because they've probably done it. So. Super proud of them for taking up this topic because it's a reality. It does happen.
Yeah.
But
60% of the target market for this would be doing that.
Yeah, which is why 60% of them were so hurt about this. Like, hey, मैंने तो कल पिछले साल ही मैं अपने पापा को छोड़ के आया हूँ. Shit, I feel bad. It's making me remember. You know, I don't want to see this.
But
So stupid.
honestly, tell me one thing. Do you think it, because when we're also, just before you release like a controversial piece of content, there is a meeting that happens where you say, okay, this is how it could go wrong. So they possibly did anticipate that this may happen because the topic that they're talking about, abandoning your parents at Kumbh Mela, is sort of like highlighting a negative insight, and then you're taking that as your core of the entire ad in the strategy, and then you write a script around it. So do you think they preempted this and it's like a very, very smart PR move because they felt like, oh, you know what, this will create controversy, so let's do it.
This ad, though controversial, invoked an emotion, but could not really. We could not really come back with an ROI to determine कि भाई ये कैंपेन सक्सेसफुल होता है. मैं ना क्लिक्स करने की चाहता, ना सेल करने की चाहता, मैं एंड टू एंड इस पे ब्रांड अवेयरनेस ही करता और अच्छा अमाउंट स्पेंड किया भी रहेगा.
Yeah, I don't see anything beyond apart from that.
Do you know about the coin toss thing? That sometimes when you're undecided, you should always toss a coin, and when the coin is in the air and you that's when you're actually hoping for either a heads or a tail. So that's when you know what you truly want. So I felt like that's what happened with him. That he abandoned his.
This is an entire scene from pictures, TVF pictures, by the way.
I haven't watched it.
Watch it.
I'm a genius.
Like,
wow.
You're a band. Beer at.
Can we rate the ad and then move on, please?
Yeah, okay, we could do that also.
Starting with Raisha.
3.
I'm going for 4.
I'd give it a 6 because I feel like the last 30 seconds could be tighter. The reason why I'm cutting 4 marks is because they could have done a good CTA and they could have made the 30-second cut better, and that could have worked as an asset in itself, and the film would have been used everywhere. So honestly, if you ask me, this is like a Cannes winning sort of approach, in my opinion.
I'm torn. I'll tell you my logic behind 5 or 6. I'll tell you 6. I think because I would, storytelling wise and just like a film cinematic experience, I would give it like a 9. But as an ad, I would give it like a 3. So I'm just trying to average that out. I think it comes up to like 5 or 6. Yeah.
See, that's what I'm saying. It becomes, it's a differentiating factor, right?